Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with this shade here and applying that as my transition shade in the crease. Then taking this warmer brown shade and applying that to deepen up the crease. Then going back in with the first shade that we used just to blend it out and make it look nice and smooth. After that, I'm using the black shade in the palette and I'm taking that on the outer corner just to give the eye some more definition. Then taking this shade here just to blend the black back out. And again, going back in with the first shade that we used just to make sure there's no harsh edges. Next going in with concealer to carve out the eyelid shape. Then taking this gorgeous bronze shadow and applying that over top of the concealer. After that, using the Doll Beauty loose pigment in the shade Bonbon over the top, and this just makes the eyes stand out even more, and I absolutely love how this has a duochrome effect and it really picks up in the light as well. Next going in with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner, and this is just going to be used to create a wing. Then applying the Eylure lashes in the shape I Heart This. Next going back in with the black shadow and taking that onto the outer corner just to darken it up and also blend in with the liner. After that, taking the lightest shade in the palette and applying that to the brow bone and inner corner to highlight. Then to finish the bottom lash line, I'm using the crease shade first and then blending that out. Then taking the black shadow and focusing that as close to the lash line as possible, just to give it that smoky eye effect. To finish the eyes off, I'm going in with a coat of Maybelline Drama Lash Mascara to the bottom lashes. For highlighter today, I'm using the Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlight and applying that to the top of the cheekbones. After that, moving on to lips, I'm first going to be using the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Sand Beige. And then going in with two Charlotte Tilbury products to finish the lips. And these are the Pillow Talk lipstick and Lip Collagen lip gloss. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.